Today we're diving into an essential aspect of setting into a new country, exploring your transportation options. Whether you are commuting to work, exploring your new city, or planning weekend getaways, understanding how to get around efficiently is key to enjoying your new country. Start by researching the public transportation system. Learn about the different options available, such as buses, trams, subways, and trains. Check for roads, check schedules, and fare information. Many cities offer apps that make navigating public transportation much easier. Get familiar with local ride-sharing services. Apps like Uber, Lyft, and regional alternatives can be convenient for getting around, especially when public transportation isn't available. I recently found out that in Europe there is an interesting website called Blah 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 Car that offer a ride-share service very affordable. Make sure you have those apps downloaded and set up on your phone. Consider renting or buying a vehicle if you need more flexibility. Research regulations, drive license requirements, and insurance options. Whatever you're renting or buying, having your own vehicle can provide greater freedom and convenience. When we moved here to Melbourne, we bought 2 cars because that's how we were used in the United States. But after a few months, we found out that the public transportation was so good that we only needed 1 car and it was enough. Explore alternative transportation methods like biking, scooter, or even walking. Many cities has become more bike-friendly and have dedicated lines and bike sharing programs. Scooter can be a quick and fun way to cover short distance. My daughters always use it when they come back from the nightlife. Understanding local traffic rules and safety practice is crucial. Each country has its own set of rules, so take the time to learn them. Exploring transportation options in a new country is an exciting part of the expat journey. By researching public transport, getting familiar with ride-sharing service, considering renting or buying a vehicle, exploring alternative transportation, understanding local traffic rules, and planning for long-distance travel, you will be well equipped to navigate your new environment with ease. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploring transportation options in a new country. Remember, each step takes you to understand and adapt to a new surroundings, brings you closer to fulfilling and enjoyable expat experience. Share your own tips and experience with transportation in the comments below. Let's help each other discover the best ways to get around in your new homes.